Good morning, folks. Welcome back to another video. I guess it's not really morning anymore. I left this morning, but it's going on about 11 a.m. So it took me a while to get out here, but we made it. And we're gonna be fishing this little stream for some cutthroat trout. But before we do that, I haven't eaten anything and I brought some stuff to make breakfast. So before we get to fishing, we gotta cook some food. Alright, so we got our little fire under there. Gonna set our pan right over top. So first thing, we got some bacon, of course. It's been a minute since I've cooked over a fire. We've had fire restrictions all summer, but it's been raining non-stop, so finally they got lifted. Bacon is done. Ooh, that smells so good. All right, we're gonna let those cool down. And look at all this extra bacon grease we have. That's a lot. Oh, wow. All right, we're gonna set our pan back on there. Then I'm going to take some vegetable oil, pour it in there. That should probably be good. And next up I have some biscuit dough. We're not going to be making biscuits. We're actually going to be making donuts. Alright, so we're just going to take one of these little biscuits here and just kind of form it into a donut shape. Just like that. Is the oil hot enough? Oh yeah. Look at that. We'll make another one. Should I try to make a pretzel? How do you even make a pretzel shape? Kind of like that. There we go. There goes our pretzel. And these cook really fast. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Check that out. That looks amazing. We're just gonna fit one more. And that'll probably be plenty for me. Alright, these are done for sure. Look at that. It just looks like a little donut. That is awesome right there. Holy cow. Our pretzel's not looking so good. That's fine, it'll taste the same. Look at that. There we go. We have 4 little donuts and then whatever you want to call that thing. And now I have a little bag of powdered sugar here. There we go. I don't know about you, but that actually looks pretty good. And there we go, folks. Bacon and donuts. Let's try it out. Bacon's always good. Alright, now we gotta try one of these donuts. This is my first time ever doing this, so I don't know. This is literally my first time. I can't imagine why it wouldn't be good. Whoa, that is amazing. Of course, when I start eating, here come all the bees. Get out of here. You didn't help me make it, so you don't get any. Nope, get out of here. Well guys, homemade donuts. If you've never tried that, I highly recommend it. That is delicious. Coming right up to the stream here. Look at this. Check this out, folks. Crystal clear stream out in this meadow. I've got my spinning rod today with a little itty bitty Rapala that usually seems to work well for these trout. We got cutthroat trout and maybe even some tiger trout in here. And let me tell you, they can get pretty big in this little stream. This looks like a good spot to start right here. First cast of the day, right along this little bank. A lot of times in these small streams, the fish aren't hanging out right in the middle. They're usually tucked up underneath the shore because it's usually a little bit deeper and there's cover. So you want to bring your lure right next to the bank. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, guys. That didn't take long at all. That was like my third cast. Holy cow. Oh, shoot, there he goes. Just about to net him. Well, that is a good sign, folks. I'll take that. Third cast and we already hook up. Not a giant, but that was a pretty little cut. Oh, there's a fish right there. Oh my gosh, got him. Oh my gosh. There we go. And got him. Holy crap, that fish nailed it. Oh, and he just popped right off. There we go, first landed fish of the day, a little beautiful Colorado River cut. I'm just gonna toss him right back. Nice. Quick catch and release right there. We're barely 5 minutes in and we've already hooked 2 fish. Oh, there was one. Come on. Oh my gosh, dang it. I pulled the hooks right out of his mouth. You get too excited and you just yank the lure right out of its mouth. It's a rookie mistake. Oh, here he comes, got him. I watched him come over and grab it. I watched him the entire time. Nice. Come here. Get over here. Sweet. Another little guy. I'm after some bigger fish because there's some monster tigers in here. Oh, and he just popped off. But I'll take it. I'll take whatever fish we can get. And there he goes. See ya. Got him. Right from under that rock out there. Another little guy. Little cut. Come on. Where are the tigers at? Heck yeah, we're catching fish though. Can't complain. Nice. Get them back so we can grow even bigger. How is that tree still standing? The roots are entirely exposed. Wow. One more hard windstorm and that sucker's going down. Alright, well, I fished down the stream as far as I could, but it just got way too thick. There's no way I could even fish it. There's just fallen trees everywhere. So I'm gonna head downstream and see what I can find there. All right, so here we are at a different part of the stream. Absolutely beautiful out here. Just look at this view. I love it. Oh, check that out. Right off the bat, we come to a little beaver dam, and that looks really, really good. Oh, I see a fish right there. I actually see a fish. Fish spotted. I'm gonna cast from clear up here. I don't want to get too close. Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is. Oh, he followed it. He followed it. He's still right there. Oh, got him. Holy crap, I sight fished that guy. I sight fished that guy from clear up there. First cast. Oh, and that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Got him. Check that out, dude. Well, that's awesome. Already off to a good start. Absolutely beautiful. And we got him like second cast. Sight fished him. I just saw him cruising right here. Tossed the Rapala at him, and he attacked it. And we're gonna let him go. All right, there he goes. All right, well, let's see if there's any more right here. Oh, there was one. I just spooked one. Oh, shoot. That was a good one. Oh, got him. Oh, right there. Can you guys see that wake? Shoot. A nice little cutthroat. Ooh, there's a fish. There's a fish. Two of them, dude. There's a bunch of fish right there. Oh, man. It's hard not to scare these fish because the water's just so clear. The leaves on these willows are already turning orange. That means fall's just around the corner. Oh, there's one. Oh, missed him. He got nose up to it multiple times. Come on, come back. Oh, missed him. Got him that time. Yes, finally. There we go. Man, I missed a bigger one just right here at my feet. I think it was a big tiger, but cast it a little further out and this guy hit it. All right, let him go. There he goes. Oh. Well, guys, I'm seeing a lot more fish the further down the stream I go. I was hiking up for a while and I literally didn't see a single one. But then I start working my way downstream and I'm starting to see them and get bites. Oh. Got him right there. Oh, dang. I'll just flip him up and get him off real quick. Isn't it crazy how water just comes right out of the mountain like this? Just right up out of the ground, a little stream. Nature. There we go. Another little one. Where are the big ones? Where are the big ones? Man, I don't even need a net for these little guys. There we go. You know, that one earlier was actually pretty nice that we sight fished, but now what we're getting are these little cookie cutter. my gosh. A giant just swam right underneath that bank right there. I can see him, dude. Oh, that's a giant. And I just spooked him. Dang it. Oh. Oh. There was a bite and a follow. Dang. Oh. Oh. Got him. Oh. Little guy. I don't even know what number this is. I stopped counting after like 2 or 3, to be honest. Get out of here. There he goes. Oh, there's another bite. Got him. Oh! There we go. Oh! Shoot. Where's Big Mama? We're gonna catch her right here. Oh, follow. Not Big Mama, but it's a fish. Get in here. There you go. Get out of here. Another one. Another one. Okay, I think they must have just planted a bunch of fish this size, or maybe I just found the nursery. I don't know, but mixed in with all these small ones, there's got to be a couple, bigger ones. Well, guys, it looks like I just broke the lip off of this Rapala, so that really sucks. This has kind of been the lure. All right, so I tied on a little Mep spinner. It's been a while since I've used just a plain old spinner. Yep, first cast. This is okay. Hey, I'm grateful to be catching fish, but I mean, come on. Can I get one bigger than 8 inches? Because I spooked like 2 or 3 14 plus inchers. I mean, I saw them with my own eyes, so I know there's a few in here. If these little guys would just not touch it. Look, already hooked up. Wait, bite, bite. Right there. Oh. Oh, there we go. That's a little bit better. That's a little bit better. No! No! I was just about to net him. That was like one of the only net-worthy fish I've had. Gosh dang it, man. Well, I think I probably caught all the fish out of this hole because I'm not getting any more bites. I'm honestly thinking they might have just planted a bunch of those size cutthroats. Yep, yep. Okay. All right, toss him back. See ya, buddy. Come on, 5-pounder. Little guys are just chasing it. Well, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Caught a lot of fish today. I'm happy with it. Not a whole lot of big ones, but can't really complain when we're catching fish. And we'll end it off with this beautiful view right here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.